Imagine waking up to news that could shake the tech world. Apple's latest financial report isn't just good, it's a blockbuster. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this surge sustainable in a market flooded with competitors? Or are we witnessing the peak of innovation? Dive in as we break down Apple's fourth quarter results for fiscal 2025. And you might be surprised by what most people miss in these numbers. Apple unveils stunning fourth quarter performance. In a move that's sure to excite investors and fans alike, Apple has just released its financial results for the quarter ending September 27, 2025. This isn't your average earnings call. It's a testament to the company's enduring strength. The tech giant reported total company revenue hitting an impressive $102.5 billion, marking an 8% increase from the same period last year. And that's not all. Diluted earnings per share, EPS, the key measure of profitability per share, climbed to $1.85, up 13% year-over-year on an adjusted basis. For beginners wondering what EPS really means, think of it as a snapshot of how much profit the company is generating for each share of its stock, adjusted to give a clearer picture without one-off expenses. One standout highlight was the services revenue, which soared to a new all-time high. Services include everything from Apple Music and iCloud to the App Store and Apple TV+, offering recurring income streams that many companies envy. This growth underscores how Apple is evolving beyond just hardware into a powerhouse of digital offerings. Stepping into the spotlight, Tim Cook, Apple's CEO, shared his enthusiasm in a statement. Today, Apple is very proud to report a September quarter revenue record of $102.5 billion, including a September quarter revenue record for iPhone and an all-time revenue record for services. He went on to express thrill over the recent launches, including the best iPhone lineup ever, featuring the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, and the sleek iPhone Air. And let's not forget the fantastic AirPods Pro 3 and the all-new Apple Watch lineup, which promise even more advanced features for fitness and connectivity. But here's the part most people miss. When you combine these with the recently announced MacBook Pro and iPad Pro powered by the powerhouse M5 chip, Apple is gearing up for what could be its most extraordinary holiday season yet. For context, the M5 chip represents the latest in Apple's custom silicon technology, delivering lightning-fast performance and efficiency. Think smoother multitasking on your laptop or tablet, which could revolutionize how we work and play. Now, on to the nitty-gritty of the financials. The company also noted a footnote worth mentioning. These EPS figures are non-GAAP measures, meaning they've been adjusted to exclude a one-time income tax charge from the fourth quarter of 2024. This charge stemmed from the reversal of the European General Court's state aid decision, which could have impacted Apple's European operations. For those new to finance, non-GAAP results often provide a cleaner view of ongoing performance by stripping out irregular items, but critics argue it sometimes paints too rosy a picture. Speaking of controversy, Apple's dominance in smartphones has long been a hot topic. With iPhone revenue setting a near September quarter record, some might wonder, is this innovation-driven growth, or is it leaning on loyal customers and premium pricing in a world where budget options are thriving? And with services hitting peaks, does this shift mean Apple is moving away from hardware, potentially alienating core fans who crave the latest gadgets? As we wrap up, think about this. In a rapidly changing tech landscape, where AI and sustainability are the buzzwords, can Apple maintain this upward trajectory? What do you make of their product lineup? Game changer or overhyped? Do you agree that services are the future, or is hardware still king? Share your opinions in the comments below. We'd love to hear your take on Apple's bold moves and what it means for the industry.